The virus that is responsible for COVID-19 is uh, SARS-CoV-2 virus, and it can be transmitted through several means. First is respiratory droplets. Second is close close contact. Third is aerosol aerosol transmission. And the fourth one is